Welcome to Wilson Tool. I would like to share some of the solutions we have provided our customers that help solve their manufacturing challenges and save money. We recently launched our new online tool, My Account by Wilson Tool, which allows our customers to place quotes and orders online, track packages, and provides access to their drawings, invoices, and quote and order history. Using the Save List feature on My Account, customers have a tool management system right at their fingertips. This customer-centric tool is available 24/7. Now let me show you some of our punching-focused solutions. For manufacturing processes that require many threaded taps, our in-machine tapping solutions are just what you need. Our QuickTap product line is the fastest, most reliable tapping tool available on the market, with the shortest delivery time around. Available for thick turret C&D stations and for strip-it PX machines. Have a trump machine? No problem. Wilson Tool has you covered. Our trump-style tapping tool creates fast, accurate, high-precision threads in your trump press at any program location on the sheet. For those of you who spent a lot of time with secondary operations associated with assembling parts, consider our connective form solutions. It's possible to assemble without screws, welds, or clips using tooling you may already have. Familiar forms that double as connectors include lance-and forms, extrusions, half shears, and louvers. We also offer form tools made specifically for connecting, including thread forms, hinges, and zip tech tools. Is your punch running at full capacity? Do you need to get more out of your press brake? Brake Partner is a unique collaboration between our punching and press brake divisions. With Brake Partner, you can create forms in your press brake using punch tooling. Do you have a form that's too high for your turret or requires more tonnage? Brake Partner gives you options you never had before. In today's unprecedented environment, no one can afford to waste money. Stop throwing away 80% of your tooling. With replaceable insert tooling, you not only save money, but you reduce waste, speed setup, save storage space, and become more efficient. Our patented EXP tooling is the industry's first quick-change punch tip technology and the proven choice for thousands of customers' tooling needs. The 2-for-1 tooling system for trump machines features quick-change punches with a replaceable punch tip for maximum punching performance. The punch tip costs less than a standard punch and, like EXP, is made with Wilson Tool's proprietary Ultima tool steel. As you can see, Wilson Tool has many solutions to help solve your manufacturing challenges and save you money. To explore these solutions and more, visit www.wilsontool.com.